It feels amazing. I was just here in December, and I never would have thought I would be back in February as a student leader. Never thought. But I'm here, and I'm loving it. You know, I was just in their seat in December with the same questions that they have to me now, and for me to be able to answer them with the knowledge that I've learned in the last 2 months, you know, from when I was here as a student, it's amazing. It's a great feeling. It's, you know, I've learned a lot and still got a lot to learn, but I'm loving it. Love it. Just, you know, it's not only a learning experience for the students, but it's a learning experience for me. You know, a lot of this I listened to in December, but it never gets old. You know, learning to me never gets old, and just everything. The breakthroughs from the students that we just had a while ago is just makes me feel, you know, that I've pushed them to their limit and made them come over that mountain, and I feel good about myself for doing that, having breakthroughs with my students. It's awesome. We've filled out lots of lead sheets this morning from very motivated sellers. We're going to go in after lunch and enter in Podio and run some comps, and we're going to get some contracts out this afternoon. We're going to get them out. Outside earlier, I had my team outside, and I had one of my students just break out in a sweat. And I handed her my direct mail card, and she just was nervous, shaking, sweaty. I said, "You can do this. It's just like talking to me." You know, I got down on my knees on her level because she was sitting in a chair, and I said, "You can do this. You've got what it takes to do this. You know, wipe your sweat. Let's go. Make that call. Make that call." And she did, and she was so excited. I mean, that was a major breakthrough for her, and that just makes me feel awesome to know that I led somebody through a breakthrough. I'm full-time. I left my full-time job after 16 years in the medical field in December, the end of December, and so here it is, almost the end of February, so I've been doing this full-time now for 2 months, and love it. I don't look back. I don't have a plan B, so I don't plan on going anywhere but forward. I'm honored. I'm honored to be invited back as a team leader.